Karma is a word that resonates across cultures, often taken to mean what goes around comes around. However, within the context of Buddhism, karma holds a much deeper, more profound significance. It is not a simple formula for punishment and reward. Rather, it is a principle that examines the intentions behind our actions and the impact those actions have over time. Karma is about cause and effect, yes, but it's also about mindfulness, compassion, and the understanding that our choices shape not only our immediate lives, but also our future and the world around us. In Buddhism, karma serves as a guide, urging us to act consciously and with purpose. It invites us to look beyond the surface of our actions and ask ourselves why we do what we do. This approach to life transforms how we interact with others, how we see ourselves, and how we face the challenges of daily living. By exploring karma as a central aspect of Buddhist philosophy, we gain valuable insights into how intentional living can lead to inner peace, growth, and a more compassionate worldview. In Buddhist philosophy, karma is not just about the action itself, but about the intention behind the action. The Buddha emphasized that it is cetana, or intention, that gives actions their karmic significance. This teaching suggests that two people can perform the same action with entirely different outcomes, depending on their motives. For instance, an act of giving can generate positive karma if done with a pure heart and a desire to help. However, if done with selfish motives or expectations of reward, the same act may not yield wholesome karma. This focus on intention reveals that karma is not merely a tally of good and bad deeds. Instead, it is a dynamic process where the motivations behind our choices shape the quality of our karma. This understanding encourages self-reflection. Why do we act in certain ways? Are our actions driven by kindness, compassion, and honesty, or by greed, pride, or fear? By developing awareness of our intentions, we gain greater control over the direction of our lives, realizing that our thoughts and motivations are as important as our actions. In Buddhism, karma is closely tied to the concept of samsara, the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. According to Buddhist teachings, the karma accumulated over countless lifetimes determines our experiences, not only in this life, but also in future lives. This cycle continues until one reaches enlightenment or nirvana, the ultimate liberation from samsara and the end of karmic influence. The connection between karma and rebirth underscores the importance of intentional living. Each action we take can influence not only our current life, but also our future existence. Wholesome karma, created by actions rooted in compassion, generosity, and wisdom, can lead to more favorable circumstances in future lives, while unwholesome karma, arising from actions driven by anger, greed, and ignorance, can lead to more challenging or difficult conditions. This teaching encourages Buddhists to view life as a continuous journey, where every action has meaning and influence beyond this lifetime. By acting with mindful intent, we contribute positively to our own lives and the lives of others, gradually moving closer to liberation from the cycle of suffering. Understanding this interconnectedness brings a sense of purpose to our actions, knowing that what we do today can impact not only our future, but also the karmic fabric of the world. One of the complexities of karma is that its effects do not always manifest immediately or in easily identifiable ways. Karma operates on a timeline that is often not visible, with some outcomes appearing in this lifetime and others in future lifetimes. This can make it difficult to see the direct impact of our actions, leading some to question whether karma truly operates as a cause and effect principle. The delayed response of karma serves as a reminder that not everything happens on our schedule. Just as seeds take time to grow, karmic outcomes require patience and resilience. For instance, Someone may act with kindness and not see immediate benefits or even face challenges despite their positive actions. On the other hand, negative actions may not bring immediate consequences. This complexity encourages us to trust in the process of karma, recognizing that the effects of our actions may be subtle or take time to appear. In this sense, karma is less like a simple law and more like a guiding principle. It asks us to be patient, knowing that actions, intentions, and circumstances intertwine in ways that may not be immediately clear. This understanding of karma helps us cultivate patience with ourselves and others, allowing us to act with integrity regardless of whether or not we see immediate results. The Buddhist approach to karma encourages us to live mindfully, with a heightened awareness of our thoughts, words, and actions. When we realize that our intentions influence our future experiences, we become more conscious of how we respond to situations and interact with others. This mindfulness practice involves pausing to consider the motivation behind our actions, making sure that we act from a place of kindness, compassion, and integrity. Mindful living is at the heart of cultivating positive karma. By being aware of our actions, we can choose responses that align with our values and avoid harmful or thoughtless behavior. For example, in moments of frustration or anger, mindfulness allows us to pause and respond with understanding rather than reacting impulsively. This conscious approach to life generates wholesome karma, creating a ripple effect that benefits not only ourselves, but also the people around us. Mindfulness also helps us to develop self-awareness, enabling us to see patterns in our behavior that may be unhelpful or rooted in negative emotions. By recognizing these patterns, we gain the opportunity to break free from them and replace them with habits that foster positive karma. Living mindfully allows us to become active participants in shaping our karma, making choices that lead to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Understanding karma also fosters a sense of compassion for others and for ourselves. Realizing that every person's actions are shaped by their past, karma helps us see others' behavior in a more empathetic light. People are often influenced by circumstances and past actions beyond their control, leading to challenges and suffering that may not be immediately understandable. This insight can help us respond to others with patience, kindness, and understanding. Karma also encourages self-compassion, reminding us that we, too, are shaped by past actions and experiences. Instead of feeling bound by our mistakes, karma shows us that we can create positive change in the present. It allows us to forgive ourselves, to let go of guilt or regret, and to focus on the present moment as an opportunity to create wholesome karma. By developing compassion for ourselves and others, we create a positive cycle of empathy and understanding. This compassionate approach to karma allows us to see each person, including ourselves, as a being on a journey of growth and transformation. It frees us from the need to judge harshly, allowing us to act with kindness and empathy, fostering positive karma in both our lives and the lives of others. Karma, as taught in Buddhism, is a profound and complex principle that extends beyond a simple cause and effect system. It is a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of intentions, encouraging us to live mindfully and compassionately. By understanding karma, we gain insight into how our actions and motivations shape our lives and influence the world around us. This understanding of karma empowers us to take responsibility for our choices, knowing that each action has a lasting impact. It also teaches us to be patient and compassionate, both with ourselves and others, as we navigate the journey of life. Karma encourages us to act with purpose, making conscious choices that align with values of kindness, integrity, and compassion. In embracing the teachings of karma, we become active participants in our spiritual growth, shaping a life that is meaningful and purposeful. Karma is not just about our actions, but about our journey toward a more mindful, compassionate, and connected way of living. Thank you for joining this exploration of karma, a path that encourages us to live with intention, understanding, and a deep sense of responsibility for ourselves and the world around us. If you found this reflection insightful, consider supporting by liking and subscribing. Let us continue together on this path of wisdom, compassion, and mindful living.